right, so we out here at XRP. We made about 8:30, and so we had a little traffic in Waco, the situation, but we got Smoke out here. Let's show him right quick. Smoke about to go up. We got Smoke on ready to go. He's sitting there chilling, like always. Big. We're gonna get this nice Z6, Z06. Tag his channel that way as well. Best 2 out of 3. Not for sure we hot lapping it, but not sure we hot lapping or not though. But also too, stay with me right quick. I got something for Demonology. I want to give him a present here. Hold on. I got something for Demonology. I want y'all to follow me right quick. A special gift for Demonology, y'all. Watch this. Come follow me. Record me. Demonology, if I race this car, you gotta give me 2 cars in a hit at least.
Yes, zombie, baby.
Oh, so he was zombie.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man, I'm gonna get you a race on it.
Tell Demonology can't come at SRP tomorrow.
No, that would
Nope.
have been a good race over here. That would have been a good race.
Damn, he threw me off.
Yes, sir. Jesus.
Black Ghost.
Jesus.
Rose come out, yeah, but not that.
He said, I ain't working with the Black Ghost tomorrow.
What you give me 2 cars?
Hey, what you need?
2 cars in the hit? Yeah!
2 cars.
Think about it.
Come down for that.
Let it marinate like neck bone juice. What you give me 2 cars?
Hey, what you need?
2 cars in the hit? Yeah!
2 cars.
Think about it.
Come down for that.
Let it marinate like neck bone juice. Hey, Demon. I bear gift. Hey, y'all, check it out now. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all something right quick. I'm gonna tell y'all Demonology. Now look. We finna convert him over. He finna convert his Demon 170 over to EV. He ain't telling nobody, y'all.
Hey,
Look.
hey, man, I'm gonna be EVology. Hey, man, my wife so appreciates you.
Yeah, man.
You always take care with them vacuums. Now with this.
Yeah, hey.
Yeah.
But y'all, he been switch over, y'all. He ain't telling nobody. Hey, y'all, go tell on. Go tell the mobile guys.
Hey, look, I'm gonna put it right here on the car. They're gonna make it go fast.
Yeah, bro. Put some bolts in the turbo. But yeah, man, y'all, hey, we gonna switch this Demon 170 over. Yeah, the Z06 over there. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, I just want to mess with Demonology there. He coming on to the dark side. We'll be back. Hey, I'll be back. Make non-believers believers. See, Demonology don't want to admit to, he part of the Tesla community too. He don't tell nobody. Yeah. EV, baby. Yeah, it's a nice car. And we ready. Yeah. Nice. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.